Okay guys, now remember, in the first video, in the first example at the notes, I told you that sometimes we get one solution like we did in the last one, right? We had one point where the lines cross. Sometimes we have no solutions. What does that mean about the lines? What does that mean about the lines, Hobbs?
They're parallel.
They must be parallel. They never cross. So they have no solution. Let's see what happens here. Okay? Now I want to follow, you may not see it at the beginning, but I want to follow the same pattern that I did in the first one. This, I'm sorry guys. This equals y, and this equals y. That means they have to equal each other. So negative 2x plus 1 is equal to negative 2x plus 5. Okay, I'm not even graphing this. I'm going to try and find the point where they intersect, right? Okay, well let's see what happens. First thing I've got to do, Tut, is I got to make sure that I get the x's together, right? All right, so I'm getting rid of the x. These cancel. I'm going to be left with 1. Wait, those cancel too. 1 equals 5. Does 1 equal 5, Armand? No, it does not. You know what this tells us? When I get a statement that's not true, it tells us that there are no solutions. It means that if I were to graph these two things, they're parallel and they're never going to intersect. They don't have a common solution. Okay? I'm going to graph it quickly just to give you an idea of what this looks like. But you'll see this first one, it has a y-intercept of 1 and it goes down 2 and over 1. So it looks like this. The second one has a y-intercept of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it goes down 2 and over 1. And it looks like that. They're parallel, so they're never going to have a common solution. There is no solution, right? We know that when we do the math because we get something that's not true. Excellent. We've seen a pair of equations that have one solution, right? They cross at one point. Now we've seen a pair of equations that have no solution. They don't have a common point. I wonder what the next example is going to be like.